So, Namaste students. We'll start another chapter, Lines and Lines. Whose line is it? Today there is a cricket match in Fatima's school. Fatima, Jasveer and Raima have each brought their own stump from home. Do you know that in cricket match stumps are required? They keep these in a corner of the room. Fatima keeps her stumps in standing position. Jasveer keeps his stump in slanting position. Raima keeps her stump in sleeping position. So you see how they are keeping one standing position, one slanting position, and one is in sleeping position. To show others how they have kept their stumps, they draw lines in a notebook. So Fatima draws a standing line, Jasveer draws a slanting line, Raima draws a sleeping line. So match the picture of each child with the correct line. Okay, so now you can match it. So then here are some standing lines, slanting lines and sleeping lines. Now draw some more such lines. I can draw lines with the side of my pencil box. I can draw lines with a scale. I will try to draw lines with only my hand. So see, so anyway, with the pencil box also you can draw a line, with scales also you can draw lines, and by your hand also you can draw lines. Ekta's lines are not straight. These are curves. Draw more curved lines by joining the dots. So fun with lines. Jigyasa has a clock. She can read the time written in numbers and also the day of the week. The numbers and letters are made with straight lines. So Jigyasa made more numbers and letters with used matchsticks. Come, make some more. Okay, so by using the matchsticks you can also make some lines. Then collect used matchsticks, have fun making numbers and letters with these. Is there any number or letter that you cannot make with matchsticks? So now write some numbers using straight lines. So what about writing letters using straight lines? Which ones are easy? So find out where else numbers and letters are written with straight lines. So now dancing lines. Ramya saw a traffic policeman giving direction to vehicles. Does a traffic policeman sometimes make curved lines? So you can find it. So have you seen the traffic police? So is he making some curved lines also sometimes? If yes, then you can write. Otherwise, no. If you have not seen, then it's okay. So Ramya tried to act like a traffic policeman. She made many straight and curved lines. It was fun. It looked like dance. Try the dance steps given below and enjoy like Ramya. Look at his arms. They look like standing and sleeping lines. So you can see how the Ramya's positions are there. Sometimes straight line, sometimes curved line. Okay. So now designs with dots. Join the dots with curved or straight lines. Make your own designs. So you see by using the dots, so you can also draw some lines, some straight lines, some curved lines. So by joining the dots also you can draw something. So here you see one lady, she is making rangoli, so that also you can draw by using different colors. The next lines in pictures. Nancy saw these pictures made by folk artists. Look for different types of lines: curved, standing, slanting, and slipping. So, draw some more pictures like this. So, you can also draw some pictures. So, here some pictures are drawn. So, you can draw some more pictures and you can send to me. So, now this is the end of the chapter. So, this is a very small chapter. So, in this chapter we have learned about how to draw the lines and what are the lines are there. So, first we studied about standing line, slanting line and slipping lines, and some curved lines, straight lines also we studied. So, here in this picture also you can draw by using your own some dots you can make and you can draw the lines, and some more pictures also you can draw over here. So, this is for today students. Thank you.